Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to track your Temu orders easily in 2025. If you order something from Temu and want to know where your package is, I'll walk you through the exact steps to check your delivery status in seconds. First, open the Temu app on your phone or visit the Temu website on your browser. If you're not signed in yet, type sign in and log in using your email, phone number, or Google account. Once you're logged in, tap the U icon at the bottom right of the app. Then select your orders. Here you see a list of everything you purchased. Find the order you want to check and tap track or view order details. You'll see your order status, estimated delivery date, and tracking updates. You can even tap the tracking number to view the latest shipping location. And that's it. That's how to track your Temu orders easily in 2025. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides. See you in the next one.